Hello everyone, Jenni Lynn here with another card making quick tip. When you're using a set of dies, I want you to think about what kind of images you have and are the die cuts larger, such as this foliage here and the thinking of you. And when you die cut those images out of your cardstock, save the negatives. These become easy stencils. Let me show you what I mean. In this card here, once I was done die cutting, I took the negative of this foliage and I used it to stencil in a coordinating color for the inside of my card as well as the back. This is such a great way to elevate the look of your handmade cards. So the next time you die cut images, don't forget to save some of the larger negatives. These are great for helping you to make handmade joy for everyday moments a lot easier. Hello, crafty friends. Thanks for making it to the end with me. Don't forget to like, comment below, and subscribe. So until I see you in the next video, have a great day, and as always, happy crafting.